How to make a group chat on Discord on Android. This tutorial shows you how to create a group conversation with your friends in just a few steps. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. After that, tap on the message icon at the bottom of the screen to open your direct messages. After that, select New Messages to compose a new one. From there, tap on New Group option at the top of the screen to create a new group. At this point, you'll see a list of your friends. Let me show you. Search for the first person you want to add to the group and tap on their name to select them. In the next step, continue searching and selecting all the friends you want to include in the group chat. From there, once you've selected everyone, tap on Create at the top of the screen. At this stage, you can customize it accordingly. Here's an important note. Discord group DMs can have a maximum of 10 members, including yourself. If you need more than 10 people, you'll need to create a Discord server instead. And that's it. If this guide helped you create a group chat on Discord, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.